Hello everybody, welcome back to Chemistry 112. You've already survived Chemistry 111 and you did it in the harrowing format of hybrid. And I can welcome you now into a face-to-face class. I can't tell you how excited I am to be able to do this class face-to-face. I'm just so excited about it. All of the tools that you had last semester when we were doing Chemistry 111 hybrid are still going to be available to you. Okay? Okay, you know that your official syllabus is here. Okay, we look at it over here on the side. Now, I'm going to hit edit just in case I see something as we're talking that I want to change. This is a second semester course, guys, in a 2-semester sequence. We're going to pick up right where we left off. So we're going to talk about solutions and solution formation. Then we're going to move on to talking about kinetics, the study of how fast reactions happen. Then we're going to talk about equilibrium chemistry. How much product can you really get out? We're going to talk about acid-base chemistry. We're going to talk about energy. We're going to talk about nuclear chemistry. Okay? And of course, you had to have passed 111 with a grade of C or higher to be in this class. Now, we meet Tuesday and Thursday for lecture, 12:45 to that's 1:45, 2:45, should be 3:45, but I'll look at that. But that was preloaded. And lecture is 12:45, 1:45, 2 o'clock. Okay? I hate this time. And lab is scheduled on Thursday from 9:30 till 12:30. Now, guys, let's talk about how we're going to do this, because the lab is before the lecture. On Thursdays, okay, I'll actually do the lecture at 9:30. When we get done with lecture, we'll take a little break and we'll go ahead and launch into lab. So I will usually get you out a little early on Thursday, okay? So that's a good thing. I think you'll like doing it that way. I just can't put in the system a lecture on one day at one time and the lecture at another day at another time. So I just kind of handle that internally, okay? The materials, you've got your chemistry, structure, and properties from TRO, same book you had last semester. Remember the things that you need. You're going to need your safety goggles. And a calculator. Needs to be scientific. Okay, and labs will be from Canvas. All right. Now, you guys, the best way to contact me is going to be through Canvas. I will check my Canvas religiously every morning at like 7 o'clock. Okay? Because that's when I'm going to hit campus. So, look for me to communicate or respond back early in the morning. Once you see what my schedule looks like, you'll understand. Okay, here's the grading scheme. Same one we had last fall. Okay, same exact lineup. And then here's our schedule. Notice your first test is on the 11th. Okay, and it lines on down through there. So let me go back to modules now. Okay, guys, here is your fact sheet. Okay, it's, just the bare minimum. There's the grading scheme again, and there's the schedule, and this one's in color. All right, let's go back to modules. Now, lecture videos are here. If I click here on lecture videos, the safety video, you're going to watch that, and you're going to do your lab safety video and have it for next week. Okay? And under that, it starts with chapter 14. I haven't recorded chapter 13. I tried that on Kaltura last fall, and we all know what a disaster Kaltura was. I will be posting a chapter 13 video here. I plan on it, although, no, I'm not going to, because I'm going to get my hybrid class. I'm going to be able to lecture. Well, no, I'll do a chapter 13 just to be on the safe side and put it in here. Guys, that doesn't mean skip my lectures, okay? Because you can get a lot more out of the face-to-face lectures than you can the videos. I think you guys already know that, but I'm just going to reiterate it. But my videos are going to be there, okay? Like last semester, you got modules. I posted a review on doing Lewis dot structures and valence shell electron pair repulsion, because you need that to help you with chapter 13. And here are their chapters. Our reviews by chapter, a practice test 1, just so, you know, make sure you're in the habit of what tests are going to look like. I've got some extra practice work here. We may or may not need that. I'll block that out for right now. Paper problems are here, the labs, and then the general course stuff that was loaded in and you'll find in all of your classes. Okay, so it's all there. Now, you took Chemistry 111 out here last semester. You've already got a mastering code when you're loaded in my class. When you go to mastering, okay, your code should already be valid. In fact, it may already recognize you. But if we go here into mastering, I just wanted to point out that I've already lighted up the first assignment in here, okay? So if we go to the calendar, which is the way I think it shows up for you guys, notice your first set of homework is due on the 20th, okay? And I'm going to see you the first time on the 14th. So don't let that slip you by. I've also loaded in some dynamic study modules. Remember, those aren't for credit. Those are helpers. So if you need a little help reviewing intermolecular forces or molecular shapes and structures, okay, that'll give you extra help. Okay, let me get out of this. You also already know how to look at your grades, but this is where everything is. All right, so go back to the modules. All right, when I see you in class, don't forget to ask me any questions. I like a nice flow to the lecture where I'm talking, I ask you questions, I expect you to answer back, and I expect you to ask me questions. If you need another example problem, if you didn't quite understand a concept, okay, if I need to explain, say something a different way, let me know. All right, guys, see you in class.